Randy here with Retire with Options. I was just going to follow up on yesterday's expiration. These are all the options that closed, and now I can start selling more premium, and that's what I actually got started with on Friday, and it looks something like this now. I still got my 100 shares of Apple. I didn't lose that to the covered call. So I started selling more Apple puts for the 22nd, 29th, June 5th, June 12th. I got this call here, so May 22nd, I am going to lose this 100 shares of Apple, I'm pretty sure. But that's okay. I'll just keep putting some puts out there till I get one that gets assigned. And yeah, that's that. The other ones are pretty standard. I'm probably going to start backing up the truck on AT&T and build a position in that. I'll do that Monday. I'll start selling puts and sell them pretty close to in the money so I can get them assigned. I actually just got a lot of cash sitting around, and I'm going to move it in and use it like a bank account, because I'm getting practically no interest on that sitting out in a CD. And yeah, it's just kind of a holding spot for it. Anyway, that's kind of it. What I'm doing to Monday when the market's open, just get those set up. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'm up to 10 subscribers now. Thanks for all your support. Be sure and hit the subscribe button if you're interested in learning any more about trading options, and drop a question in the discussion down there. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks.